About to eat Dave's hot chicken for the first time. So I got a Dave's 3 and it come with the sandwich and tenders because I didn't know which one I wanted, and I'll be able to save my baby some because he been wanting to try this place. So waiting on the food. I'll be back with a review. Got my food and this is what it's looking like. So I got the tender, the Dave slider sandwich, fries, pickle, and Dave sauce. Got extra Dave sauce on the side. So let's see what it's given. Fries look good and seasoned. Look good. It reminds me of Cane's a little bit.